Hello? I'm a Commodore 64. My old friends, Mac and PC, have been doing all these public service announcements, debating with each other. I never get invited. There was just a party, and even ColecoVision, my buddy ColecoVision, he was invited, but not the Commodore 64. I wasn't invited. I'm not in the New York Times. David Pogue never talks about me anymore. That New York Times guy. I don't get a pension plan. My keys aren't feeling so good. And my older brother, Commodore Pat, never gets anyone talking about him either, too. I have a full-size keyboard. Pat, he only had a chiclet keyboard. I got so much more. I have 64K of RAM. Just stuck here. Here. No one talks to me. If I'm a Commodore 64, I can play Frogger. I'm a Commodore 64. I only see 8 bits. I hear it's a 16 and maybe a 24-bit reality. Where's my healthcare? I'm a Commodore 64. I like Frogger.